Welcome back to another English grammar quiz. Today we are testing for your knowledge of countable and uncountable noun. Can you score 25 out of 25? Let's find out. Which of the following is countable? Which of these nouns is uncountable? Choose the countable noun. Which noun is uncountable? Identify the countable noun. Which is uncountable? Of the following, select the countable noun. Which of the following is uncountable noun? Choose the countable noun of the following. Which is uncountable? Of the given, which is countable? Which of the following is uncountable? Identify the countable noun. Which of the following is uncountable? Choose the countable noun. Among the following, which one is uncountable? Select the countable noun. Which one of the following is uncountable noun? Identify the countable noun. Of the following, identify the uncountable noun. Which of these is a countable noun? Choose the uncountable noun. Identify the countable noun among the followings. Which of the following is uncountable? Select the countable noun. Well done. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and don't forget to like and subscribe for the coming quizzes. See you next time.